know, she penned it all when she was in high school, and fast forward a few years later, Chic and Bougee is big business for Natalie Roach. She's here with a few of her, come again? Not Natalie Roach?
Natalie Roach, but Liza Roach, as they know me on social media. Liza.
Liza, yeah, but
same
she's
Natalie.
He nearly have a heart attack a while ago. Natalie Roach, Liza Roach, Chic and Bougee. Benji, don't scare me. How are you, my darling?
I am fantastic this morning. How are you?
Nice to have you. Now, talk to me about the concept behind. I hear the name, but how did we get there?
Okay, so firstly, my middle name is Elizabeth. So I just broke it down and I said Liza. I just needed something that rolls off the tongue easily.
Right.
And that's how I got there.
Right.
Now, how I got to Chic and Bougee. So my mom has been a designer for all my entire life.
Wow.
She had her boutique when York Plaza just started. And growing up under that influence and just having other iconic people around and my aunts who are high fashionistas, you know, I had to get to that point now where I said, okay, it is time. 2 years ago, I really wanted to start my own line. And for some strange reason, you know, the universe, you know, things happen when it's supposed to happen. And I was disappointed that it didn't happen when I wanted it to happen, but it is happening now. I don't have all my pieces ready. This is my first piece that I'm actually wearing as in for production.
Wow.
And so I wore it on Saturday, and yes, I come wear it today again because I had to show it off.
Wash and wear back,
it wash and wear back, and it clean and it good. So yes.
All right, so what's the line? What's Chic and Bougee? What
so Chic and Bougee is really a virtual online store. We do have our little show space at Jamaica Apparel, which is up by Vision Plaza, 3A Central Avenue. And we do classy, trendy, timeless pieces, free-flowing, some retail fashion, and the rest locally made. I like to feel comfortable in whatever it is I'm wearing. I don't like to look like everybody else, so I try to find fashion that fits those persons who want to feel different and unique, even though fashion these days is not unique to anybody because, you know, the landscape of fashion has changed. And so because of that, you still want to have your own ID.
Yeah.
And so clothes don't wear you. You wear your clothes. So when you're wearing your clothes, you're supposed to make a statement. Women who are curvy and women who are on the bigger size sometimes have a difficulty finding clothing that would fit them. So you'd find that Chic and Bougee by Liza Roach would also cater to that market. In vice versa for Jamaica Apparel, because she caters for women who have, you know, different body types and who need to feel comfortable and sexy and appealing, because every woman wants to feel that way. All
right, so it's for every woman. This morning we're going to be seeing what? Caftans?
Caftans and dresses, free-flowing stuff.
All right, so let's bring out our first model.
Can we have our first model out? So this is Miss Fran Mayer from Level Up. And she is wearing a bohemian print dress. Now these dresses, there's a symmetrical neckline cut and it's very comfortable. I mean, Fran is 50. She just celebrated her 50th.
Go, Fran!
So she is repping for all our golden age women who are looking like fine wine.
Fran don't reach golden at all. Fran still look like she just don't let the brand's youngish.
And this dress is also available online, and they can go, if anybody is interested, they can go to Jamaica Apparel and go and pick it up. Next one is Miss Stacey Barnett, and she is repping for us with her lovely floral tent dress. And these are some of our freeform high-low dresses. You know, it's quite appropriate for almost any occasion.
Yeah, man,
and it's easy to wear. So, you know, if you're feeling like your top heavy or your bottom too big and you don't want to be showing up any of all of those curves, that's the best outfit for you to wear in a dress. So
and I like dresses that have a lot of colors, because you can match it with different accessories and shoes and nice.
Yes.
Lovely. I like it. What kind of material?
This one is a stretch lycra.
Stretch lycra.
Right.
Light and cool. Come, Miss Kamla.
This is our fabulous Miss Kamla Forbes. I'm sure she's not a stranger to many of us. So Kamla is wearing a black and white romper jumper.
Yeah.
And it has that nice black mesh that's going across. This is designed by Jamaica Apparel, local designer. And as I said, again, we focus on quality. This is for you if you want to feel sexy, you know, you want to go to a party, best outfit to wear.
Yeah. And you can dress that up, or you can make
dress
it as casual
down.
as you want.
Exactly. You can wear it to the movies. You can wear it to a party. You can wear it to a formal event if you choose to. And here we have the lovely Kathy Chin, who is in our nice high-low dress again. And it's a tent dress. As I said, for women who, you know, they're heavier at the top or have certain things that they just want to hide or disguise and just feel free to showcase.
Or them just want to feel comfortable.
And exactly,
Sometimes
you don't want to be pulling up and zipping up and fixing
yeah.
up. So you want to feel free, and this is the perfect dress.
And she's wearing them today with sandals, but again, this is one of those dresses that you can put stilettos on.
Exactly.
And pull the hair up and and you're good to go. All right.
You can dress it up, dress it down.
Right.
And you want multi-purpose wear. That's what you'd want to have.
So are there pieces that people can order?
Yes, you can get them custom made as well. You can order online, as I said, Chic and Bougee, or you can come and visit Jamaica Apparel. That is up by Vision Plaza, 3A Central Avenue.
All right, makeup artist and everything.
Yes, I wear a creative hat. And I'm just tapping into everything that I have on me that's creative.
Come,
so
Miss
here is the
50.
this is the kaftan now. So this is a blueprint
This
kaftan.
is a lovely color.
Turn around and showcase that for me, please. And this is the lace. The lace is on the sleeve. So we bond our fabric together. So it's different prints, but they all complement each other.
Natalie, you know, so me I got 100 tonight for comedy.
Yes.
I would wear this top.
You should come and wear it. Yeah, you need to get it.
My hand can't go through the sleeve part.
Oh, we have your size, don't
Okay,
worry.
right.
As I said, we cater for our beautiful curvy ladies.
I like kaftans and you put a jeans in it. No, Karen, it not stretch. I put a nice jeans with it. I'm going to wear it to 100 tonight.
Yes, you're going to come and wear it to 100 tonight. Look at this. This is a beautiful Stacy. And it's a kaftan shirt. So you can actually, for Stacy, because she's petite, she can wear it as a dress. She can wear it as a shirt. She can tie it up. You can do many things to it. You can carry it off as casual as you want. You can dress it up. So that's the beauty about our store, is that you can dress it up, dress it down. There is no restriction, really.
So you know I'm not plus size in this one?
We can give you plus size.
She says Stacy petite, so she can wear it as a dress. So what that mean?
That means that if you want one like this, we can do it for you.
All right.
So you can place your order.
Thank you, please.
Yes.
Order in. Thank
and
you.
the good thing is you won't see everybody in your outfit. So we select fabric that... we select your fabric for you, and we want you to stand out.
Here comes Kamala again in black and white.
Here is Miss Kamala.
You can never go wrong with black and white, you know. Black and white is
you can't.
That combination.
No, you can't. So this is a black and white cotton. It's a stretch knit. It's a knit, rather. It's a stretch knit. And it's a floral print, as you see. You can't go wrong in that. You want to cover up your areas, or you want to look sexy, you wear this kind of dress.
It's a dress?
Yes, it is a dress. Right. Symmetric neckline.
Yeah.
Right.
Lock the kaftan, them are going to block my Karen. Here comes another one. Yeah. Here comes another one. Come, Miss Flirty 50.
So this is actually one of my pieces. And this is a plaid that is mixed in with another fabric print. And it's a sheer chiffon.
It's nice.
Yes, and the long kaftans are in. It's a dress kaftan. So you have the option of buttoning it down if you feel like you just want to close it off, or just leaving it open. Yeah.
Yes, Booker. This one, I like that one here. This one I must wear.
I think I like the blue one for you.
So where can they find you again?
3A Central Avenue. If they want to call me, they can call me on 876-889-2909.
On Insta? On social
Instagram, Chic and Bougee.
All right. So please look out. Ladies, we have new stuff, or we want them all to come back out again in the stuff that they're wearing.
I think we have one more outfit.
One more outfit?
Yes. Ladies?
I bet you. Oh.
Yes. So we have a nice jumper here.
Okay.
And this is also locally done. This is easy, this is sexy, and it's simple. You dress it up, you dress it down. Movie, party. The good thing is that you can change the top that you choose to wear inside of it.
If you want to wear a top inside.
If you decide to wear a top. It depends on how risque you are. Right, Karen? I see you having fun over there.
Booker, would I go without the top? Or you can wear like a little thing underneath it.
Yes, ma'am. Show it all.
Yeah, because listen, guys, I know normally November, December is chilly. It's not so chilly, you know. So we have to kind of rethink the wardrobe this year and try to go for things that are still going to keep us cool, but keep us in that party mood. All right.
And here are our ladies.
Yes. Who is missing? This is everybody?
This is everybody.
What? It coming like a 20 people in one this morning. They were awesome. Thank you very much, ladies, for being this morning. So remember, it's Chic and Bougee by Natalie Liza Roach. So make sure you go out and you support her. Thank you. Jamaica continues. Booker is in the house. Yeah.